Hi everybody, I am here to walk you through how to make a snowman or snow woman with the letters of your name. So for today, you're going to want to get some plain white paper and some type of circle tracer. I'm using a lid because it's a little bit easier to hold on to when you're tracing, but you can use any round container or anything like that if that's helpful. So you can gather your materials if you need some time to get them together. I'm going to get started to show you what to do. First, before we trace any circles, we have to figure out how many we need. And you're going to need one for each letter of your name, as well as one for the face of your snow person. So I'm just going to write my name on my paper. S-A-U-E-R-S. And then while I'm doing that, I'm going to count. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1. I just wrote the answer. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Because I need that one extra one for my snow person's face. So I'm going to take my tracer and make 7 circles. So I'm going to do that now. If you need to pause the video while you're gathering materials or while you're getting everything traced, you can. Here's a little tip while you're tracing. You don't want to start tracing circles right in the middle of your paper. Anybody know why? It's going to give you more space to fit as many as you can if you start off on one end of your paper. I am using a marker so that it stands out for you to see it, but you can use a pencil if that works. All right, I've got 4. I need 3 more. If you have room and you want to make an extra one for any mistakes, you can do that as well. I've got 6. I'll do one extra just in case. When these are all finished being traced, you're going to start decorating. So you don't have to cut them out right away. It's easier to keep them all together so that you don't lose any of the pieces. So what you want to do next is start looking again at your name. So on one circle, I'm going to put an S and then an A, U, E, R, S. You might need more circles or you might need fewer circles, less circles. So I'm going to start decorating mine. That's what you're going to be working on next. You can write them however you would like to. You do want to keep a little space from the top and the bottom. So you don't want to fill your letter into the entire circle, but you do want it to take up some space. I'm going to make bubble letters, but you do not have to. When we put these together, we need a little space at the top and the bottom, and I'll go over that in a minute. But that's one thing that you want to kind of think about. I think I'm going to use all capital letters for my name, but you do not have to do that. You are the artist of this project, so you can decide how you want your letters to look, if they are capital letters or lowercase letters. You can also go back and color them in and add other little decorations if you want to. And the good thing is that we're starting out with white paper, so you can really turn it into any color or design that you like. Okay, so it looks a little funny right now because I wrote them in what looks like a different order, but I have one for each letter in my name, S-A-U-E-R-S for my last name. And then I'm going to start thinking about the face of my snow person. So I am going with the traditional kohl for the eyes, a carrot nose when I get there, and maybe little button shapes for the mouth. So there are my eyes. There's my nose. I have to go back and color it in. And then I'm going to make circles for the mouth. And then I will go back in and color them in a little bit. I am adding little details, but it's up to you how you want to do that. Okay. If you think about your snow person, you might want to add some other decorations on your circles with the letters on them. So if you want to make it look like your snow person is wearing buttons on their body, you could find ways to add those in, but you don't have to. So my letters work out pretty nicely where I can add little buttons on each of my circles, but you do not have to do that. You can add other things as well. Okay, at this point, we're going to color everything in. I'm going to stop the video here and add another video with part 2 of this project. So at this point, add decorations, color it in. Our next step will be cutting it out and putting it all together, and then adding some other little details from there. I hope you enjoy working on your name snow person, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.